or then by any element equal to its valency. Okay, uh, we have read electronic configuration structure of atom. Okay, this is clear to you. Electronic configuration have we completed now in last chapter? Say element cell 2 comma 8 comma 1. Have we did it? Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is from there electronic configuration. Now remember, if this is outermost shell, valence shell, all of we have read. So number of electrons present in valence shell, if it is 1, 2 or 3 or 4, then it will be its valency. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be its valency. But if outermost shell contain 5, 6, 7 and 8, then it will be valency for them is 8 minus those number. Okay, I'm writing here, if the valence shell contain valence shell contains 1, 2, 3 or 4 electrons, then it is valency. Okay, but for 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in valence shell for any element, then valency will be valency will be 8 minus number of valence electron. Okay, 8 minus number of valence electron. So simply look at here. Sodium having 1 electron in outermost shell. So its valency will be 1. Magnesium having 2 electron. So valency will be 2. But fluorine having 7 electron. So valency will be 8 minus 7 because this is valence shell electron. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Now 1, 2, 3 is present, then valency will be in plus. 5, 6, 7, 8 valency will be minus. For 4 electron, there will be no charge, only 4. Okay, 4 will be no charge, only 4. Just to remember it. So sodium by donating its 1 electron, it will occupy octet. Magnesium will occupy octet by donating of 2 electrons. So after the donating of 2 electrons, it forms 2 plus its valency. Sodium forms 1 plus its valency, and for fluorine forms 1 minus by accepting of electron. Got it? Write it first. Write it quickly. Write it. Tweet, fast.
Sir, what you have written after then it's valency?
Then it
Safa.
then it is valency. Means if 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons present, then it is valency.
Focus. And sir, second line, left side part can't be seen.
But
Okay.
this is but for 5, 6, 7, 8.
So what you have written after valence will be?
Valency will be. Okay, this is valency. Valency will be 8 minus number of valence electron. Here is nothing written. Nothing is written here. Okay. Valency will be 8 minus number of valence electron. Okay.
Sir, done.
Others too.
Sir, completed.
Okay. Now, next part is variable valency. Okay. Next part is variable valency. Now look at here. Variable valency means some elements showing more than one valency. Okay. Elements which are showing more than one valency means they exhibit variable valency. Like sodium. Sodium always shows +1. Oxygen always show -2. Magnesium +2. Chlorine -1. These are fixed valency. But some elements showing more than one valency, that is called variable valency. Like iron. Iron shows +2 and +3. Copper shows +1 and +2. Lead shows +2 and +4. Remember, in two valencies, when any element shows more than one valency, so which one is lower valency? So lower valency will be used as in suffix. When for when any element shows lower valency, then the name of the element will be end by as in suffix, and for higher valency, it will be used. Okay, it will be used. I see it. So here +2 and +3. Which one is lower valency? +2. For this, as will be used, and +3 if will be used. So iron means ferrum. So um will be omitted, and instead of that as will be added. So ferrous and here ferrit. Similarly here Latin name of copper was cuprum. So will be omitted, and instead of that as is being added. So cuprous and cuprit, plumbus and plumbit. Okay. So more than when elements showing more than one valency is called variable valency. Similarly, some non-metals showing variable valency like nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur. In H2SO4, sulfuric acid, sulfur having the valency of +6, but in H2SO3, sulfurous acid, sulfur having the valency of +4. Okay, so variable valency means showing more than one valency. Write it quickly. Hmm. Hmm.
सर
बोलो.
सर हो गया
Okay.
सर बोले हम लोग लीव कर सकते हैं हम लोग का क्लास है सर
हाँ, इसीलिए हम तब से फास्ट करा रहे. तुम तो बड़ी स्लो लिख रहे हो. नहीं तो आज और भी थोड़ा हो जाता. हम इसलिए नोट्स बना हुआ था ये. चलो ठीक है, हो जाएगा. लिख कर सकते हो तुम लोग.
Sir, can we leave?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye.